And a Tucson murder suspect made his initial appearance in Pima County Superior Court today.
Julio Aguirre faces more than a dozen felony counts in state and federal courts. Our News 4 Tucson's Jacob Owens got a glimpse of Aguirre today in court. It's a case where prosecutors have been waiting for Aguirre to appear for months. Jacob.
Yeah, Monica, Sean, that's exactly right. Julio Aguirre's case has been subject to this battle we've seen for months. As you said, Monica, it's been between Pima County Attorney Laura Conover and the federal government. It's all been about access to Aguirre, and it's because of a federal judge's ruling last month that we even had today's hearing that granted the county some limited access to Aguirre. And it's worth mentioning that after that ruling last month, the federal government continued to push back. Those attempts were ultimately unsuccessful, and that's how we got to this afternoon. Aguirre appeared virtually at the Pima County Superior Court behind me, and he's pleading not guilty to the charges he faces.
Do you understand the consequences of failing to appear for court, Mr. Aguirre?
Yes.
That was Aguirre Wednesday, appearing from the Pima County Jail with assistance from a Spanish-speaking interpreter. He is accused of shooting and killing 69-year-old Ricky Miller and holding a family at gunpoint during an alleged crime spree in Midtown Tucson this summer. The federal government says Aguirre is here illegally. The Pima County Attorney's Office had been denied access to him by the federal government until a federal judge's ruling last month. The federal government had argued granting access could hurt its case against Aguirre. Aguirre will now face 2 state cases against him. He's being held on a $1 million bond. Here are some of the terms if he makes that bond.
No contact of any kind with the alleged victims or family members of the victim. Do not return to the incident location. And I'm ordering that you shall not be remanded to federal custody before December 10th, 2025.
Still ahead in this case are depositions. The prosecution says those are planned for November 25th. And then it's on to hearings. Talking about those hearings, that's where this order that came from Judge Catherine Monroe today becomes very relevant. She's saying that Aguirre must remain in local custody until at least December 10th. That's because that's the date of the case management hearing. All that means is essentially you're going to have the prosecution, the defense, and the judge get together and make sure this case remains on track for trial. Speaking of trial, the pretrial hearing is currently scheduled for January 16th at 9 a.m. Reporting live downtown, Jacob Owens, News 4 Tucson.